Hey, let's talk today about the most common thing that appraisers look for in the VA home loan. Now, all home loans will have their minimum property requirements to meet their definition of safe, structurally sound, and sanitary. So most of these are the same or similar across all loan programs. But here are the most common that I see for VA loans. One, broken windows. Uh, Generally, they can be cracked, but not broken. Also want to make sure that windows work. They will only check a sampling of windows, but there needs to be an egress in the home in different places for someone to escape in case of emergency or fire. Cracked or peeling paint. What we want to do is prior to 1978, hey, that's a lead paint era. What we want to do is check for both the interior and the exterior. So check for that on the cracked or peeling paint. After 1978, you're checking for the exterior, so be aware of that. So are there holes in the siding or is it otherwise damaged? Want to take a look at that. That's been coming up lately on some loans that I've been seeing. Also want to check for wood rot. That's going to be one that's going to be kind of common across all loan types, most definitely. Check for wood rot. Make sure that that's taken care of. A lot of times it's a fairly simple fix. Do the step, stairs, or deck require a railing? That will be a determination. Permanent heat source. All home loans require a permanent heat source, so keep that in mind. Here's a very common one: the water heater extension pipe. It's just a few dollars to take care of that, but make sure that that is taken care of. If the property has a well, then a water quality test will be needed. Keep that in mind. Termite inspection is going to be required in most all states, especially southern ones, so definitely keep that in mind. Those are also, both of those are often considered outside of the appraisal, but that's actually part of the appraisal. We just go ahead and make the assumption that those are going to be needed. So if you're listing a home or your buyer is interested in a home, then send me a picture of what concerns you, and we will try to make a determination on that. Also, another key thing here is don't forget about the waiver request that is available to VA loans that the veteran can request through the VA if the appraiser notes anything is subject to. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any more experiences of things that have come up, and we will definitely address those. Thank you.